So this is a short video on how to compute sample percentages from a data set. And I'm going to use the shark attack data set as an example because we all have familiarity with that. So you go into stat, tables, frequency, and now I'm going to click on incident type since we've already seen that. And generally, you want to click on frequency and percentage of total. And when you click on that, you get your results. So here I can see that voting was 1.1%, invalid was 6.6, provoked 8.7, and so on. And so this is one of the quickest ways to compute sample percentages when you have a single categorical variable. Now, suppose, for example, unprovoked was my category of interest, in the same way that you're going to have a category of interest in any problem. So I'm going to make this binary, unprovoked and others. So in my category of interest, the percentage would be roughly 83%.